Hello students, now the question number 2. Question number 2 is express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c equals 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each cases. Here total 8 cases are given and we have to write, first we have to express them in the form ax plus by plus c equal 0. Then we have to indicate, means we have to write the values of a, b, c, a, b and c in these 8 cases. Okay, so how? So first we have to arrange all these linear equation in two variable in their general form. This is the general form of linear equation in two variable. Then we have to write the values of a, b and c. Okay, how? Let's see. Okay, now first part of question number 2. First part is 2x plus 3y equal 9.35 and bar on 5. Okay, we have to solve. First we have to represent this linear equation in two variables in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0, means in the general form of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so here this is ax plus by equal c. So we have to transfer this c, means 9.35 bar on the left hand side. So this 2x plus 3y and plus 9.35 bar becomes minus 9.35 bar, because we have to represent it in the ax plus by plus c equal 0 in this form. So this is ax plus by equals c. So we transfer this c to the left hand side. C may be positive or negative. So this now see ax plus by and minus c equals to 0. Now it is a general form. We make them, arrange them in the general form of the linear equation in two variables. Now thus the required equations is 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar on 5 equals 0. Now we have to indicate the values of a, b and c. So where a equal 2 and b equal 3 and c equal minus 9.35 bar. Okay, because if there is a negative sign, then we have to take that negative sign in the value, in their values. Okay, so the required equation is 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equals 0 and values of a, b, c are a equal 2, b equal 3 and c equal minus 9.35 bar. Okay, now second part is x minus y upon 5 minus 10 equals 0. So first we'll express this linear equation two variable in their general form. General form is ax plus by plus c equal 0. So first we have to remove this 5 is in the denominator. So first we have to take the LCM 5, then we have to solve. So LCM of here, the denominator 1, 5 and 1. So LCM of 1, 5, 1 is 5. So LCM is 5. So we'll multiply x by 5 because the denominator is 5. So multiply the numerator by 5. Here already denominator is 5. So y as it is. Here the denominator is 1 and we have to make it 5. So multiply 1 with 5. So 1 into 5 is 5 and multiply its numerator by 5. So 5 into 10 is 50 equal 0. Now transfer this 5. So the transformation of division is in multiplication. So 0 into 5 and 0 into 5 is 0. Now what remain? 5x minus y minus 50 equal 0. And in this form we have to express the given equations, and we expressed in ax plus b plus c form. Okay, so we'll write thus the required equation is 5x minus y minus 50 equal 0, where a equal A equal 5 and B equal minus 1 and C equal minus 50. That's it. Now the third part is just like the first part, because here the C is in the right hand side of the equation, so we have to transfer the C. So 2x minus 2x plus 3y, which is already in the left hand side, so we have to transfer this 6 from right hand side to the left hand side. So plus 6 is the positive here, so when we transfer 6 from right hand side to the left hand side, it becomes negative, so minus 6 equal 0. So this is the required, so our required equation is minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals 0. You have to write like this, and where a equal minus 2, B equal 3 and C equal minus 6. That's it.